Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey Hennessy, and in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to optimize your Google My Business profile. This will allow you to automatically update your Google My Business and allow you to rank higher than your competitors in your local area. This is super important. It's something that a lot of small businesses forget to do or they just don't have time to do. And now in Go High Level, there's a feature that will allow you to do this. So once you're ready to optimize your Google My Business account, all you need to do is navigate to the reputation tab in Go High Level. So when you log into your dashboard, you have everything set up. You're going to go to the reputation tab. You'll have a full overview of your reviews, any reviews that you have in the last few months. You have everything here in terms of reporting. But the new feature is the GBP optimization. And it's really cool. It's going to allow you to optimize your My Business profile a lot easier. There's a lot of agencies that sell this now as a service. So if you are an agency owner or you're looking to start an agency, it's a really simple business model to sell. You can sell this for a small fee and you can essentially update or upgrade people's My Businesses using the best practices and using AI to optimize your account. Now, what exactly can you do within here? You can update the business name, you can add the description. You'll see this is our description that we've updated. So we've added a lot more information on what we do. We work with modular homes, tiny homes, ADU companies, and construction and home service. We do lead gen for clients. But whatever your business is, make sure you update it and add it here. It's going to give you your optimization score. And the goal is to get this as updated as possible, keep it up to date and optimized so you're overranking your competitors. You'll see you have an overview of the actual business on the right hand side. So this is my actual agency account. You'll see we're located in Dublin, Ireland. We have the phone number, the text message, and going through step by step, you can update all of the tabs. So we have the name updated, we have the description, we have some images. I'm going to actually add a lot more images to our own account recently. And all I need to do is go in and I can change the cover photo, I can change the profile and add additional photos. Something really important is if you have a business that you've only just claimed the account, you might have a bunch of random images. So make sure you're deleting images that are uploaded by different users or randomly are assigned to your account. You're going to want to have a lot more images showing what your business does, some of your staff, some reviews, a lot of images that give your business trust and allow you to show up more than your competitors. So make sure you're adding a lot of images to the actual business account. When you come down, a huge feature is having the correct phone number. Make sure your phone number is up to date. And something a lot of businesses don't have connected is this section here. So allowing people to chat to your business using SMS and WhatsApp. So make sure you get both of these connected. It's going to allow people to speak to your business directly through your Google My Business, and it's going to allow you to get a lot more leads directly through Google My Business and Google Maps. So Google My Business is where your actual account is going to show up on Google Maps alongside any searches for businesses. So you really want to have this updated alongside your business. Add the category that you're in. We are a marketing agency. You might be in construction, you might be a home service, you might be plumbing. Make sure you have the correct category. It means you're going to rank within that category on Google. Your services, make sure that you have them all updated with what you do in your business. Attributes, so what do you do? If you take online appointments, if you're a transgender safe space, LGBTQ friendly, there's a lot of different options when it comes to uh, Google that you can add on, that you can remove. You don't need to have all of these, but you can add a bunch of this, such as parking on site, paid parking, parking lot, paid street parking, allowing people to get more information on your business. So if you have a physical location or if it is specifically online, and then if it's women owned, you can add that too. So if you are a female that owns the business, you can add it, as Google seem to push that a lot more for different females that are looking for female owned construction company. You're going to rank for that too. The opening date, you'll see we opened in May 2020. The address of your business, if you have your business account set up, I'd hope that that's updated. And then your opening hours. So it's really easy to actually edit and actually go in and update your profile here. You then have your social profile. So these are all of our social links. Make sure you have as many of these as possible linked. So you could have your TikTok, your YouTube, your LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, website. Make sure all of these are up to date. It's going to help your account to rank a lot easier. Your reviews, you're going to get an update on all of your reviews. And a cool feature is being able to reply to your reviews using the Go High Level AI. So if you get a lot of reviews, if you're running a service business and you're getting 10 reviews, 50 reviews every single week, and you need to automate the process of just replying with something like, thank you so much for your review. You can do that using the AI and you can reply with the person's name, you can give information, and you can make a templated response. and the AI is going to learn from that to then just thank everybody or give a nice response to each review. So really cool feature, and it allows you to collect a lot more reviews for your business. Scheduled posts. This allows you to schedule posts on the Google Business platform. So these will go up on Google, your Google My Business profile, which essentially is Google Maps. And when someone searches, so it's going to allow you to put more posts on your account, and you'll see them on the right hand side. You'll see our reviews. We have 5 stars in the agency. But if we go to the updates, all of your scheduled posts are going to show up in this updates tab. So once you schedule stuff here, you can schedule out posts for the rest of the year. You could schedule out posts every month. Whatever it is, make sure you have scheduled posts and you have updates going out frequently on your profile. And this is really going to help you rank above your competitors. So it's a really cool feature. I wanted to make a quick video on it. So anybody that's struggling to keep their My Business profile updated, this is an easy way to do it. It's an easy way to manage it. And you have the assistance of the AI and everything else to help you keep your Google My Business updated and just rank above your competitors. So I highly recommend checking out the free trial for Go High Level down below if you do want to update your profile, or you can go ahead and sign up to Go High Level and get this and many more features set up. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on the video, and comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see a video on. As I mentioned before, we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, but I'm also looking for a lot more ideas on videos or anything that I can help somebody with. So if you have a good question, leave it down below and I'll make a video on it. Thank you so much for watching.